So this is the results now. I've um, inserted the social media icons in the box shadow. So if you are not seeing something like this, make sure your work follow the same pattern as this. Even though you might enter the same uh, this thing parameter for the margin, you might enter the same number or size for the margin left and the margin top, but you might not get something like this. It doesn't matter. So it's just a matter of you changing it in such a way that you achieve something like this. The fact that mine is um, 120 margin at the bottom, or the margin left for the social media icon, mine is negative 50, doesn't mean that if you also enter um, the same size, you also achieve the same result. Your machine interface might be different from that of my own. So just use the margin left and the margin top to adjust the size and also the position your distance your icons. So just use it. So when you enter the 50 and you are not seeing something like my own, try and adjust it by reducing it to maybe negative 40 or increasing it to 60. So just try and do an adjust, try and do adjustment in such a way that you achieve something like this. It might be that your own you enter positive 100 before you can see something like this, and it might also be that you enter 0 pixels to achieve something like that. So there is not a fixed value for the margin. There is no a fixed value for that. So the margin and the padding, there is no a fixed value for that. So it can change depending on how your PC screen is. Because my work interface might be different from that of your own. So the size of my PC screen might be different from that of your own. So the fact that the weight of my icon is 90 pixels and the height is 800 pixels doesn't mean that if you also enter the same thing over here, you will get something like what I'm seeing over here. So if you enter and you are not seeing something like this, please try and make some adjustments. But as for the box shadow and this in the background, that one you can enter everything word for word. So that's that. So for the margin top and the margin left, there is no a fixed value for that. It differs depending on how your PC size be like. So that's that. Um, so right now I'm going to set hover for the icons. So I'll copy this, then paste. Hover, background color. I'll choose white. Color orange. So and there's the results now. And for the book too, when I click on it, it will highlight. So that's that for today's work. So this is where we have gotten so far. We have gotten to. So if you are not seeing something like what I'm showing over here, please make sure you go over your work and see if your format, your work follow the same format as my own. As I was saying, the size for the margin can differ. There is no a fixed size or value for that. So just adjust the figures in such a way that you achieve something like this. So if you enter the same value uh, like my own and you are not seeing something like that, make sure you make some adjustments in such a way that you achieve the same result. So that's how the thing be like. So thank you for joining us. See you in our next video. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.